Hi all, welcome to EduBook. So I am very pleased to inform you that we are opening and launching a new online school, and our vision is to help the students learn, discover, interact and excel. This is operated by Edu Province Technologies Private Limited, and I hope you are going to find this school very interactive and helpful in your child's future growth and career with the following features and the benefits. So it is a completely online school which is taught by the qualified and experienced faculty. It is an 100% online and transparent mechanism will be followed. The classes for standards 1 to class 5 will be there, and every year the standard will be increasing. Like for example, class 6 will be started in the year 2022. This is owned, managed, and operated by the IIT, IIM gold medalist, UGC NET qualified professionals. The subjects that will be taught will be all compulsory, and this will be taught by way of online live classes. Special classes will also be provided like the Forex class, Vedic mathematics, spoken English, hobby classes, motivational sessions, and storytelling. And the last three are the new ones in this category where we'll be focusing on the hobby, motivation for the students, and also the storytelling part. Double promotion of classes is also possible as per the intelligence of the student, subject to clearing of the examination. Earning while learning. So the students scoring above 90% in each academic quarter will be awarded with EBK tokens, which can be redeemed while making payment of fees for the next quarter. There will not be any need for after school tuitions, as all the doubts will be resolved in class with the provision of extra classes when needed. Flexible learning process, where the recording of live classes will be available for revision purposes, or if not able to attend the live classes, given on teacher's approval. Monthly online parent-teacher meeting will be conducted to keep abreast with the child's learning development in class. And finally, we also have a new feature like the Community Connect social platform to connect with parents, students, and experts from various fields. So these are in short, the features and the benefits of this new online school. Coming on to the registration part, so the registration will be starting from 31st of January 2021, and it will be done till 15th of March 2021. The classes will be starting from 1st of April 2021, and it can be joined throughout the year as recording of live classes will be made available. Earning while learning, the students will be who are scoring above 90% in each academic quarter will be awarded with EBK coins, which can be redeemed while making payment of fees for the next quarter. Registration charges are rupees 1000 only, and you can register at edubook.co.in. The fee structure will be as follows, which can be paid in 4 equal quarterly installments. For class 1, it will be 50,000 annually. For class 2, it will be 55,000 paid annually. For class 3, it will be 60,000 annual charges. For class 4 will be 65,000, and finally for class 5 it will be 70,000 annually. You are getting certain free and complementary benefits apart from the above mentioned, that is the career mapping report, which is based on MIIT, stands for multiple intelligence and interest test, and secondly a customized learning plan. Now let us have a look at what are these two benefits or these two complementary things that we are getting from entering into an online school. So, we'll be having an MIT screening and career mapping report where psychometric analysis will be done for the students, and on the basis of the test results, a personalized intelligence trigon will be made. This trigon focuses on three most dominant intelligence types based on the interest and passion of the child. Secondly, the child will be able to carry out the potential career options, which will be mostly future relevant jobs in most three dominant intelligence types. The interest and passion taken into account in the interest test will help us to narrow down onto three career paths. Secondly, we have an interest trigon, which is also in the form of an automated career counseling, where the three dominant interest types will be shown on the basis of a personalized interest trigon. And finally, a list of top three careers based on MIT screening test and interest test. Then this is a sample of a customized learning plan. Uh, Customized learning plan, or the CLP, which will be given for three career options, which will be a majority of online courses which will be free of cost, available online or a very low price to avail the certificate. Then the Community Connect and Engagement Platform. Now this will help to connect the parents, students and the experts on one platform in a relevant manner, having learning, career path and employability as the focus of all conversations. The experts will include counselors, sports academy, dance academy, swimming and training institutes, edX, Udemy, Coursera, and other such relevant content and learning providers. The four groups, which will include the Parent Connect Parents, Parent Connect Experts, Student Connect Students, and Student Connect Experts. Now, all these groups will help us to interact with our fellow classmates and also with the parents and also with the experts, which will help us talk about the child's future development and progress. Now, moving on to the achievements and awards, you'll be happy to know that EduBook has won so many awards and there are so many achievements to put a feather on the cap. So here is the first one, wherein we were the only Indian startup to be selected to demo their product in international conference in Boston in US by the name of Hub Week. This was organized by MIT and Harvard University. We were also selected as a semi-finalist in IIT Bombay's Eureka competition conducted by eCell. We were also among the top 20 startups in IIM Calcutta and Lead Angels and Smart 50 organized by Department of Science and Technology. The Government of India recognized us as a startup by DPIIT, and EduBooks is a registered trademark, brand and logo. We were shortlisted as top 40 startups from across the India by Startup India and Western Digital in the Innovation Bazaar 2020. We were also selected as one of the top 20 innovative startups in India in 2020 by Times Next. Also selected to demo in AIM Startup Dubai Global Expo by the Government of Dubai. We were also one of the finalists in the HICE Awards, that stands for Hyderabad Software Enterprise Association. We were also among the top 50 startups from 1000 plus applicants on pan-India basis, and also among top 15 startups from across India by TiE Mumbai and NTT Japan. We were also selected to demo in TiE Delhi Startup Expo and Summit in New Delhi, and also among the top 50 in BSE Impact Startups Pan-India basis by Bombay Stock Exchange. We were among the top 10 from 200 plus applications in SR Innovation Exchange, Warangal, and also among the top 2 in Startup Grill competition at Clowork. Thank you for hearing us out. Please do spread the word among your friends and family. Let us all embrace this new normal of online schooling. Please share this video, and the registration link is in the description box of this video. Do not forget to register before the closing date, that is 15th of March 2021. And in case of any queries, please contact us at 919963961705, or you can also write an email to us at the given email IDs. Hope to see your kids in the classroom. Bye. Have a nice day.